Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can optimize the graphic settings on the Bloodstrike PC game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bloodstrike game on your device, and after you have selected your server and logged in, you will be taken into your homepage. From here, if you wish to optimize the graphics, click on the gear icon at the top right corner. This will then take you into the settings page, from which you will need to go into the graphics and audio at the left side. Here you can now see the basic settings by which you can change your graphics. Within the quality mode, you have two different options, along with the customize menu. First, try using the prioritize quality preset, then press OK in order to confirm your change, and now this will use the higher presets for your game. You can also try increasing the resolution, as well as various other factors. Turn on anti-aliasing as well as VSync, and VSync is particularly helpful if you notice any screen tears within your game. Also try increasing the graphics quality at first, to see if your system can handle it. If your device supports it, you can also try going up to Ultra, and once you are done setting the presets to the highest available for all of the qualities, just go back and your changes will be saved. You can now start your new game and see how your settings will feel. If your performance is not as good, then you can go back to the settings page, and from graphics and audio, you can once again choose the prioritized quality option and try reducing the presets by one single step for the ones that you have set to the maximum. By following this pattern, you can find the optimal balance of performance and quality for your game. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to optimize the graphic quality on the Bloodstrike PC game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.